How to log in to my M1 Plus account. If you want to log into your my M1 Plus account, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. What we do is we go ahead and just launch the my M1 Plus app, and this is the interface that you'll actually be able to see here. Now here you can see different options. The first is that for a complete view of all your lines and services, view, bill and offers, update profile and more, log in using your M1 email ID. So if you want to view all your services, you go to M1 email ID, or you can enter your M1 email registered email, and you can tap on the send OTP option and you'll be able to send the code and log into your account. Now otherwise, what you do is, if you don't want to view all of your offers, you only want to view details and manage add-ons for only one mobile line, you can log in using that M1 mobile number. So if that's the case, you can go to mobile number option and you can go ahead and then log in using that mobile number and hit the send OTP button. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into my M1 account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.